Hi, my name is Jana Gunn, and I'm a Senior Principal Data Scientist at UnitedHealth Group. I have over 18 years of experience in the healthcare industry with expertise in topics like reporting and analysis, pricing and underwriting, healthcare economics, machine learning, and ethical AI. I have a passion for mentoring aspiring data analysts, and I'm excited for you to join the class. Throughout the course, our focus will be on understanding data to produce actionable insights. We'll start out with an overview of the healthcare industry, looking at things like the triple aim and data ethics and privacy. Next, we'll get our feet wet in Excel and start learning how to import data and looking at missing data and how to handle outliers. We'll move on by looking at descriptive statistics using advanced tools like Tableau and Power BI. Next, we'll move from descriptive to predictive and study topics like correlation and regression. Finally, we'll end the course with our storytelling skills by looking at text analytics and key performance indicators. It's going to be an exciting 6 weeks with lots of topics that will help you learn how to gain insights from data and produce compelling stories. I'm excited to have you join the class.